Hey, Matías. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to talk with you about something very simple but very common in daily life shopping for clothes.
Hi, Emma. Sure, that's a great topic. Everyone needs clothes. Everyone goes shopping sometimes. And honestly, I think it's something most people have strong opinions about.
True. Some people love shopping for clothes, others hate it.
Exactly. And I think I'm in the middle. I don't love it, but I don't hate it either. I just do it when I need to.
I think that's pretty common. For me, it depends. If I feel like looking for something new, I enjoy it. But if I have to shop because my clothes are old or because I need something specific, then it feels like a chore.
Yeah, like when you need jeans because the old ones are completely destroyed.
Yes, exactly. And jeans are the worst to shop for. Every store has different sizes, different shapes, different fits. It's a whole adventure.
Absolutely. And sometimes you think a pair of jeans will fit perfectly, and then when you try them on, nope, not even close.
That happens to me all the time.
So, let's start with something simple. What kind of clothes do you usually buy?
Mm, I like comfortable clothes. Soft shirts, simple jeans, light jackets. I don't wear very colorful clothes. I prefer neutral tones. Black, white, beige, gray.
Minimalist style.
Exactly. What about you?
I think I'm similar, but I like colors a bit more. I enjoy wearing green or blue, and I like clothes that are casual but not messy. Comfortable, but with a little style.
Like casual smart.
Yes, something like that.
Do you like shopping alone or with someone?
If I need something important, like a jacket or shoes, I prefer going with someone. A second opinion helps a lot. But for t-shirts or socks, I can go alone.
Same. I like going with a friend when I'm unsure about the style. Sometimes the mirror isn't enough.
Exactly. Sometimes we think something looks good, but another person says, maybe not.
Right. Or the opposite. You think something looks terrible, and the other person says, that looks great.
Yes, that happens a lot with colors.
How often do you buy clothes?
Not very often. Maybe once every 3 or 4 months. I buy things that last.
That's a good strategy. I usually buy clothes at the beginning of each season. When summer starts, I check my summer clothes. When winter begins, I check my warm clothes.
That's organized. I just buy new clothes when I realize I need them.
So basically, when you're getting dressed and notice you have nothing clean?
Exactly. Or when all my socks suddenly disappear.
Yes, that happens to everyone.
Let me ask you something. How do you choose the right size? Do you always try clothes on?
Always. Absolutely always. Sizes are never the same in every store. A size 28 in one brand is like a size 30 in another brand. It's crazy.
True. And shirts are the worst for me. Sometimes a medium is perfect, other times the medium is too small or too big.
Same with jackets. I always test them because the shoulders must fit perfectly.
Yes, if the shoulders don't fit, the whole jacket looks weird.
Exactly.
When you shop for clothes, what's more important, the price or the quality?
Quality, no doubt. If something is cheap but breaks after 1 month, it's not worth it.
I agree, but sometimes a good sale is very tempting.
True. A good sale is a magical moment.
I usually buy when there's a discount, not because I'm cheap, but because clothes can be expensive and I like saving money when I can.
That's smart. I do the same, especially for jackets or shoes.
Exactly. Shoes are expensive, and jackets are too. So a sale helps a lot.
Do you buy clothes online?
Sometimes, but not very often. I'm always afraid the size will be wrong.
Same. And returning clothes is annoying.
Yes, but online shopping has many options and good prices. That part I like.
Yeah. And sometimes you find things online that you can't find in physical stores.
Exactly. But I still prefer trying things on.
Me too. For clothes, the feeling and the fit are important.
Trying on clothes is always an adventure.
Yes. Sometimes you love something on the hanger, and when you try it on, it looks terrible.
And other times you look at something and think, I don't like this. But when you try it, it looks amazing.
I love when that happens.
Me too. It feels like a lucky discovery.
What's the longest you've spent trying on clothes?
1 hour. I'm slow. I look at myself from every angle.
Oh no, you're one of those.
Yes, I admit it. Trying on clothes is serious business.
Let's go through different types of clothing. For example, jeans. What kind of jeans do you prefer?
Straight or slim. Not too tight, not too loose.
Same. Skinny jeans are uncomfortable for me.
For me too. They look good on some people, but they're not my style.
What about t-shirts?
I like simple ones. Solid colors, no big logos.
I like simple shirts too, but sometimes I buy shirts with small designs.
That's nice. What about jackets?
I love jackets. I think a good jacket makes every outfit look better.
Yes. A good jacket changes everything.
Have you ever bought something you never wore?
Oh, yes. Many times. Usually things I buy too fast without thinking.
Same. Sometimes I think something is amazing, and then at home I'm like, why did I buy this?
Exactly. Especially when I buy something too different from my normal style.
Or when it only matches with one thing in your closet.
Yes. Then you wear it once and never again.
What colors do you wear the most?
Blue, green, gray, and sometimes black.
I wear mostly black and white. Very basic.
But basic always works.
That's true. What color do you avoid?
Yellow. It doesn't look good on me.
Same. I like yellow on other people, but not on me.
Exactly.
Shoes are another big part of clothing shopping.
Yes. And they're expensive.
Very expensive. I try to buy good shoes so they last.
Same. I think shoes are the one thing I don't mind paying a little more for.
Me too. Good shoes are important for your feet, your posture, everything.
Do you prefer big stores or small boutiques?
Big stores. More options.
I prefer medium stores. Not too big, not too small.
Why?
Because in big stores, I get overwhelmed. In small stores, I feel pressure to buy.
That makes sense. Boutique staff sometimes watch you too closely.
Exactly. I like shopping in peace.
Do you have a funny story about shopping for clothes?
Yes. Once I tried on a jacket and couldn't take it off. I was stuck.
Seriously?
Yes. I had to ask an employee to help me pull it off.
Oh no, that's embarrassing.
It was. But the jacket looked great. Until it tried to kill me.
I also have a story. Once I bought a pair of shoes online, and when they arrived, they were two different sizes.
No way.
Yes, one was 37 and the other was 39.
That's terrible. And funny.
So, after all this, do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
I enjoy it when I go with the right person.
With a friend, it's fun.
Agreed. Shopping alone feels boring. Shopping with someone who gives good opinions is better.
Exactly.
And what's the most important thing for you when shopping?
Comfort. If it's not comfortable, I don't buy it.
For me, fit. If it doesn't fit well, it doesn't matter how pretty it is. Well, I think that was a great conversation about shopping for clothes.
Yeah, we covered everything. Styles, sizes, prices, mistakes, colors,
Hopefully, listeners learned some new vocabulary today.
and hopefully they feel more confident talking about clothes in English.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you in the next episode.